Welcome to the historically accurate cartoon princess dances. Today we're going to take a trip back in time to the beginnings of horse racing, or where the Kentucky Derby came from. Horse racing as we know it today dates all the way back to antiquity with Greece and Rome racing chariots and horses. But horse racing for a wager really goes back to King Richard the Lionhearted. And he was the first of the monarchs to offer a purse to his knights to run a 3-mile race with their horses. So having King Richard as my starting point, I looked at Robin Hood and the Horses Brawl, a historically accurate dance for the Middle Ages, and written in Arabu's book on ballroom or on social dancing. So let's take a look at 4 ways to do the Horses Brawl for the Kentucky Derby.
What?
Our Horses Brawl is comprised of 2 main pieces. The first is a brawl to the left and the right, which is a double to the left. It looks like this. And a double to the right. Then we have our little horsey section with 2 taps with the right foot, a single to the right, and 4 steps turning to the left. It looks like this. Those are the main pieces for all 4 variations of our Horses Brawl. Version 1 of the Horses Brawl. This will be our most accurate. We're going to dance this in a circle with 8 brawls left and right, followed by the stomp, stomp, step together, single, and turn around twice. Gentlemen first, ladies second, gentlemen third, ladies fourth. And then repeat in a circle holding hands. The whole thing will look like this. Our second brawl will be promenading in a line, where the gentleman will peel off to the end of the line at the end of the set. We've shortened our brawls up to just 4, and will be done in a side-by-side position. 4 brawls, forward and back, and then the gentleman will do these stomp, stomp, step together, turn around, and when he turn around, they will progress to the next partner, and the top gentleman will go to the end of the line. While they are changing places, the ladies will then do the stomp, stomp, step, tap, turn around, and then side by side repeat the entire sequence. It will look like this. The third version is not described in Arabu's description, but is a fun version done commonly. So this one, you were going to start with the partners holding hands facing each other. Ladies will commence with the brawl to right, while gentlemen commence with the brawl to left, or everyone traveling the same direction for 4 brawls. At the end of those 4 brawls, the gentlemen will do the stomp, stomp, step together, turn around, progressing to the next partner. Then the ladies will follow suit by doing stomp, stomp, step, tap, turn to the left, and end at the next partner, where you will hold hands and repeat the entire sequence. It will look like this. variation is the hysterical one. This is not technically in Arabu's description at all, but it uses his pieces and is a delightful interpretation. We have chosen to do this with hobby horses. This variation begins with 2 lines, gentlemen and ladies facing across from one another. All people will begin with the brawl to the left. We'll do that 4 times, left, right, left, right. Then the ladies will advance with a brawl forward towards the men, and then stop for the count of 4 and say nay, nay. They will then retreat for a back brawl as the gentlemen do an advance forward brawl and say nay, nay. And then the ladies will do the stomp, stomp, step together, turn around as the gentlemen retreat. When the gentlemen retreat to their final positions, they will stomp, stomp, step together, turn around, and then everyone is ready to repeat the brawl to the left. And it looks like this. Thank you for joining us for the historically accurate cartoon princess dances. Remember to like and share our line below.